Hey there, welcome back to new video. In today's video we're going to talk about digital marketing. In today's fast-paced world, businesses need to have an online presence to reach their target audience. Digital marketing allows you to connect with potential customers and drive traffic to your website, ultimately increasing sales. So how can you also earn through digital marketing in 2023? So let's dive into our video without further delay, but before starting make sure you liked and subscribed. Before knowing other firstly, so what is digital marketing and what can be its power in 2023? Digital marketing is the use of digital channels, such as social media, email, search engines, and websites, to promote a product or service. It's a way of reaching people through the channels they use every day. By creating targeted campaigns, businesses can engage with their audience and drive conversions. Digital marketing is such thing in 2023. If you knew it, it can make you rich from home. Digital marketing has the power to revolutionize the way businesses promote their products or services. Here are some of the ways in which digital marketing can be powerful by following ways. Point 1 is reach a global audience. With the internet being accessible to people all around the world, digital marketing allows businesses to reach a global audience. This means that businesses can target customers from different countries and regions, expanding their customer base and increasing sales. Point 2 is targeted advertising. Digital marketing allows businesses to target specific audiences based on demographics, interests, and behavior. This means that businesses can create highly targeted campaigns that are more likely to resonate with their target audience, leading to higher engagement and conversions. Point 3 is that must be cost-effective. Compared to traditional marketing methods like print or television advertising, digital marketing is often more cost-effective. This is because digital marketing channels like social media and email marketing have a lower cost of entry and can reach a larger audience. Point 4 is measurable result. Digital marketing provides businesses with real-time data on how their campaigns are performing. This means that businesses can track their return on investment, ROI, and adjust their campaigns accordingly to optimize results. Measurable results. Digital marketing provides businesses with real-time data on how their campaigns are performing. This means that businesses can track their return on investment, ROI, and adjust their campaigns accordingly. Point 5 is build relationships. Digital marketing allows businesses to build relationships with their customers through social media, email marketing, and other channels. By providing valuable content and engaging with their audience, businesses can create a loyal customer base that can lead to repeat business and referrals. There are many types of digital marketing, but before moving to the types of the digital marketing, I'd like to inform you guys that I have the digital marketing paid course from where many people are getting positive response and generating more than $1,000 a month. Here are some of my clients' payment proof which they earned within a month after getting paid course. If you also want, then you can comment or DM in Instagram. It will be provided in descriptions. But let's move in today's course. Your target audience refers to the group of people who are most likely to be interested in your product, service, or content. These individuals share common characteristics such as age, gender, location, interests, and behavior. To understand your target audience, you should conduct market research, which involves gathering information about your potential customers. You can use various methods to collect data, such as surveys, focus groups, social media analytics, and customer feedback. By analyzing the data, you can create a customer persona, which is a fictional representation of your ideal customer. This persona should include details about their demographics, needs, preferences, goals, and pain points. Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, you can tailor your marketing messages and strategies to resonate with them. This can help you attract and retain more customers, increase engagement, and drive business growth. Search engine optimization (SEO) is the process of optimizing a website to improve its visibility and ranking on search engine results pages, SERPs. The goal of SEO is to increase organic traffic to a website by improving its relevance and authority. There are many factors that search engines use to rank websites, including keyword usage, website structure, and backlinks. SEO involves optimizing these factors to improve a website's ranking on search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Keyword research is a critical part of SEO. It involves researching the words and phrases that people use to search for products or services related to a business. By including these keywords in a website's content and metadata, search engines are better able to understand the relevance of a website to a particular search query. Website structure is another important aspect of SEO. A well-structured website with clear navigation makes it easier for search engines to crawl and index its pages. Social media marketing is a form of digital marketing that involves promoting a brand, product, or service on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and others. Social media marketing allows businesses to connect with their target audience, build relationships, and drive conversions. There are several different tactics that businesses can use in social media marketing, including these types. Content marketing is a form of digital marketing that involves creating and sharing valuable and relevant content with the goal of attracting and retaining a target audience. The content can take many forms, including blog posts, videos, podcasts, social media posts, and infographics. The goal of content marketing is to provide value to the audience, establish the brand as an authority in its industry, and ultimately drive profitable customer action. Measuring success is an important aspect of any digital marketing campaign, as it allows businesses to track their progress and make data-driven decisions. Here are some key metrics that businesses can use to measure the success of their digital marketing campaigns. This much for today's video. If you guys liked the video and if it was helpful for you, then please make sure to leave a like and subscribe our channel Skill Boost. And if you guys also want to earn daily $50, then you can take paid course, which is very cheap and an affordable rate of just $4.50 at discounted rates. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in next video.